And I know if you must, you fight for me, won't you?
Of course I will. Why would you ask me such a question?
So, please, let me handle this, okay?
Fine. Wipe your tears. Okay?
Hi. Hold on with the deal. The subject is not available, so please just hold on for the moment. There's something I need to go work out first. I'll get back to you. All right.
Joshua.
Yeah?
What are you saying? What are you asking me?
Look, there's no other person more important in my life, Val. And I doubt that there will ever be.
Are we really talking about marriage? Are you serious?
I am. I mean, if you think you want this. I know the journey has been rocky, but it has always been you, Val. I definitely don't want to end up like my parents. You see, I want to spend the rest of my life with someone who challenges me. Someone who would give up everything for me and love me as I do.
Yes. Let's get married.
Really?
Yes. Are we really doing this? I can't believe we're talking about marriage.
We're doing this.
We so are. We get married. Oh.
Hello? Val.
You won't believe what just happened in my office.
What?
So I was fusing about everything I could possibly fuse about. Then Joshua walked in. And you know him. He calms me down and he put me close to him. And
Valerie, what's the news?
he asked me to marry him. Hello?
I'm still here. I am trying to process it.
I know, right? I'm still trying to come with terms to the fact that I'm getting married. Oh my God.
Val, this is sudden.
Sudden? Is that not what you've been pushing for?
Of course, what I mean is, I didn't expect the question to come this soon. But hey, congrats.
Hey, congrats.
Val, I'm so sorry. You caught me in the wrong... It's just the wrong timing. It's just so wrong.
What's going on?
Nothing you should worry about.
Zach?
He's left already.
Then it's Winifred.
Listen, I'm good. Okay? You know I'm happy for you. I'm so happy for you.
I don't like the way you sound. Do you want me to pass by after work?
No, honestly, I'm good. Okay? We'll meet up tomorrow and then you give me a proper rundown.
Okay, but I haven't told anyone yet, so please.
You can trust me. My lips are sealed. Congratulations. I can't wait for that day, darling.
Alright, so you take care, I'll call you then, alright?
Okay, take care. Bye.
That's I.
What was for the no, they don't.
Ah, how about you? So you share Juma?
Let your message so I don't have for Nedrine.
Ah, what do you need? Only a whooshing. Only a whoosh. What do you know by a meeting with dream for tea? What do you know the phone?
Hey.
Hey, lady. What are you doing here?
Please, I am looking for a job.
No, unfortunately, it's against policy to allow non-engineering staff on the site. I cannot let you work here.
Please, sir. I heard the announcement the chief made the last time that community members would be available to support should the need arise. And I know there are some people here carrying things around. I could help too.
Well, the chief may have said that, but it doesn't nullify our policy.
But sir, what about those you have employed carrying things? I can join them too.
No, you can't. See, we had to accept a few men here on site, but even that had to be approved by my boss.
The engineer?
Yes. I'm sorry. Sorry.
I can do anything. Please, anything.
See, you don't seem to understand me. This is no job for a woman. Carrying pans and blocks around? No. I cannot let you do that. It's not right.
I will learn.
See, I wouldn't like to see you doing this kind of job unless you're trained for it. So now telling me you will learn, it's not possible.
Please.
You don't understand. You don't understand.
No, you don't understand. I need this job. I can't even provide food for myself. Please, if I'm going to work here for nothing but food and water, I don't mind. Please. Please. Please, sir.
I follow brain as well.
I am no one. I am more cry. Not today. On felling for the Wassan Abadi. On fet.
She mess where we could do one.
Get up. I'll find something for you to do.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you so
Listen,
much.
there's not going to be carrying of blocks and pans. I'm going to let you do welfare, like water and food,
Anything.
that kind of things. That's what you will do. But you sit down there and wait for me. I'll be with you shortly.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
It's all right.
Hey, never know at all.
Hey, Shano who not let man waffle. No.
I'm the waffle.
Hey. Yeah, some. I'm afraid on a bra papa. Hey.
Hello. Yes, that's where I'm standing. Where are you? Oh, okay. I'll flash you when I get to the junction. I'm wearing skirt and top. Okay, bye.
What did he say?
He says we should take the next junction. Come on.
Lord, I put my life in your hands. Kuma!
that you? You are back early. What happened? Did you find her? Unati! You are really back?
What are you doing here, Mama? And where's that stupid daughter of yours?
Yeah.
Hi, Nana Kwesi.
Kumba.
Yes. So, where did you see her?
She bought SIM card from me 3 days ago, and then she passed that way.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I'm believing she's in the vicinity. Yeah, that's what I'm believing.
That way?
She passed that way.
Where to?
That I can't tell. After the card, I saw her going that way. So I believe she's still in the vicinity.
Are you serious?
So, what was the essence of coming all the way here if you don't know where she is?
Oh, seriously? Me wanting to help? You asking whether I'm serious? Well, just go around, ask. I believe you will see her. That's the best I could do. At least you know she's around. So ask, all right?
Michael. Where do we start from?
We can ask around.
Michael, look around you.
Naughty, where have you been? Your sister and I, we have been looking for you. For long.
Is that why you put my picture on social media? What for? What do you want from me?
It's because I'm worried about you. We all are.
Why? Do I look sick to you?
You know, no one has seen you in weeks. We are your family. I came all the way from Liberia.
Mama, I didn't ask you to come here. I am fine where I am. I am just fine where I am. Without you people dragging me down at every turn. Just let me be.
What happened to you, Winnie?
Forget about me, Mama. Forget that I ever existed. I'm on a different path now. So just live your lives and let me live mine.
Oh my God! So you say you're not concerned about me, Winnie? It's me, Mama. It's your mother. You know what happened to you?
Mama, I woke up. Tell that daughter of yours not to come searching for me again. Else should not like my second visit. God knows I wouldn't want to come back to this God-forsaken place.
Oh, my daddy. Oh my God.
Mama, I can't believe she came here and you let her go.
What else was I supposed to do, Kuma? Tie her down? With me being here, I thought she would have at least reconsidered and returned home to us. But she's determined to cut us out of our life.
Well, you have seen so for yourself. At least now you won't be sitting down and blaming me for disrespecting her and for pushing her towards her unreasonable actions. Now that things are clear, I think we should forget about her and move on with our lives.
What do you mean? We can't just forget that she exists. You are the one who keeps saying that she needs help. Huh? Now that you have managed to convince me, you can't just turn around and ask me to forget about her.
Mama, that is exactly what she did. That is exactly what she did, oh. Ha. Me, I'm a bit relieved that at least she's not here. To make life hell for everyone here.
Oh, Kumba.
Mama, that is the truth. True. I intended to find help for her. But Mama, that your daughter doesn't need anyone's help. Oh.
It's because she doesn't know she needs it. Listen to me, Kuma. Family does not give up on each other. If you truly believe that there's something wrong with her, it is our responsibility to make her right. She's your sister. We have to make her think right. So please, Kumba, please don't give up on her. Please.
Oh yeah. Oh no no. Na na yeah. Na na yeah. Oh oh oh. Oh. Ah yeah. Oh yeah. Oh na 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 na. Oh oh oh. Hey. Oh. It be my burning desire for the hunger to see his fire. One day it go be. One day it go be, yeah. One day it go be, Today man still a hustle, struggle through the rain and storm. But Almighty El Shaddai, Abakush and I will see I and I through. The only separation.
Can you just shut up? I don't even know why I'm listening to you. I would love to watch the Oxbids. It shows next week. I don't know if you can make it. I think for the 3 days. I would have to find out about it. Hold on. Winnie? Winnie brought me breakfast in bed. Thank you so much. That's so sweet and thoughtful of you. Okay, hold on. Zach.
Hello. Good morning. Yes, I'm taking very good care of her for you. Yes. She's been very, very good. You're welcome. Okay, thanks. Is there anything else you want me to do for you?
No, I love this. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Isn't she great? All you needed was some time to get used to her. And you would like her. Yes.
Listen, there's a change of plans. I need you to seduce someone for me. She might be a very difficult target to get alone, but I need compromising photos. Anything that rules all doubt of her cheating. Oh yes, I'll work on getting her out and I'll send you quick notes of her schedule. I need this as quickly as possible because she's pregnant and might start showing very soon. I need the father of that stupid child to doubt paternity. Okay, I'll send you the details.
Mama, you are still sleeping by this time. What is wrong? Mama, I need to go for lectures now, but I'll be back as soon as possible. Please don't be sick, oh.
Yeah, good morning. Yeah, Patrick. No, reschedule it for next week. Yeah, I know, but I'm looking to pushing Senegal, forward so that I'll have time to do the quarterly inspection with the ministry. Yeah, you in the office? Okay, call me in an hour's time so we figure this out. Yeah, bye.
Well, good morning to you.
Hi, Mom.
It's always so refreshing having you over for breakfast.
Dad?
Morning, son. Well, I have to run.
Yeah. Actually, I wanted to see you both.
Go ahead, have a seat.
I asked Valerie to marry me.
Well, that is excellent news. That's great. Oh.
Thanks.
Congratulations, son.
Thanks, Dad.
I think Valerie is a wise choice.
Ooh, I knew you'd hop into action sooner or later. My son is a man.
Oh, Mom, I've been one for a long time.
Nope. Look at that pretty baby face.
Oh, stop babying him.
Oh, someone's jealous now.
Well, I'm glad both of you patched things up.
Yep, we did. Come on. I'm proud of you, son.
Thanks, Dad.
Well, like I said, I'll have to run.
Okay.
But we'll find time to meet so we can talk, so I can pass on the holy grail of marriage.
Thanks, Dad.
We'll see you.
Sure. Mom, I need to get going.
No way! You haven't had any of the breakfast.
Oh, Mom, thanks, but I'm fine.
Oh, Josh, please sit with me a second. I miss my son.
Okay, Mom.
Nanama? Oh, where's that girl?
Yep, thanks.
So, how did we propose?
I just asked.
Truly your father's son. Haven't you boys learned anything?
Stop watching romantic movies.
And any date yet?
No, not yet. We just spoke about it yesterday. We don't have any dates in place yet. I mean, Valerie's in the middle of a huge project. And the last thing on her mind is planning weddings.
Why does she need to when she has me?
Don't get too excited, Mom. We'll opt for a small wedding.
Certainly not. Not the governor's son. Not my only son. Small what? Ha!
You know what? I'm just gonna stay out of this. But listen, unless you're able to persuade Valerie to go along with you, we're gonna do it her way. It's her wedding, not yours.
Okay, fair enough. I'll soon have a talk with her.
Well, actually, she's very nervous about stepping out now, so I can't give you any details yet. Just make your guy available for us and when the opportunity presents itself. Look. I don't need to know him. Just get him ready. In fact, the least details I know, the better. It helps with my surprise element. All right. Okay, text me if you need to reach me.
Trusted you with all I have. I trusted you with all my strength. I trusted you with my last breath. I never knew you would me down. I trusted you with all I have. I trusted you with all my strength. Yeah, I trusted you